Understanding estate tax returns. Key insights from Pro2Learn. When is an estate tax return required? As attorneys, not CPAs, we advise clients to always work with a CPA for accurate guidance. While some attorneys handle tax returns, specialized expertise is crucial. Estate tax returns can be confusing. A 1041 return is required when an estate owes income tax, not necessarily estate tax. This is an important distinction for proper filing. The term estate tax return can refer to the annual return during probate for income earned by the estate, estate tax returns for state-level taxes or federal taxes on large estates, over $12 million. Always consult a CPA who specializes in estate tax returns, not just general forms like the 1040 or 1040 EZ. They will ensure you meet all necessary obligations.